just some air bubbles, but we'll see how long it takes to get it out of here. Alright, so now we've gotten about 2.5 out. It says that's normal. Obviously some's gonna stay lower always, but we got 2.5 out. We're gonna take out the filter, replace that, and then fill her back up. I wonder if I should that'll release more oil if I undo the cap. Alright, we're gonna change the filter. Filter's right there. I'm gonna put a little towel under there for spills. Boom. There we go. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Seems like it's pretty much out of there. I don't know if this is hot. It's not. Oop. And that's why you put the towel. Set that there for now. Well, it's probably not a good place. It's probably going to get in my driveway. So let's get this out of here. Alright, so we got the oil extracted. We got 2.5. We're going to fill up 2.5. We got the funnel, the filter's off. I'm about to put the new filter on. Again, this is your filter, part number. I'm gonna put some oil around the gasket, screw her on. Bear with me. So it says to put a little bit of oil around the gasket. Like so. I'm gonna come up here. We're just gonna hand tighten it. Get it in there. I'm just gonna screw her on. Yep. There you go. Keep going just when it touches. Alright, so it just touches. We need it about one more time. Oh, and I banged the head. I hope that's snug. Maybe a little more. And then fill her up. We got Yamaha 10W40 4W. It is the Marine Performance. It's 1 gallon, 3.7. So I need about a little over 2/3 of this thing for 2.5. So let's see what we can do. Where are we at? 4 liters, 3 liters, that's 1 liter. This thing's pretty heavy. The gallon holding it up like that. Hopefully I'm putting it in the right spot. Alright, so we've extracted our oil. We've added our new oil. The new filter's on. Everything's in. It says to start it and turn some water on for 2 minutes. So here we go. Yeah. To let it idle for 2 minutes. So with changing the oil, it came into not really a problem, but when I took the filter out, there was some oil that leaked down like below there. So when I filled it up and ran it, I was seeing a little bit of oil down there. I thought it was leaking. I don't think it is. I checked the dipstick and it showed me like the first dot. I think it's supposed to be the second. Close that. Dip it back in. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but pretty much at the first dot. I've put almost a full gallon in, so I'm gonna wait and see if you know, some of it settles from the filter, whatever the case may be. Other than that, oil change is done. It just shut off on me and was beeping at me, so we're about to see what that's all about. I've never heard it beep at me that it's gonna shut off. I have no idea. I hope I did all this right. Capping up the little bilge. Hopefully everything's good, and yeah, that's the 2024 fxho oil change. Next, we're going to be taking off the cap, taking out all the spark plugs, spraying the fogging oil in there, replacing those, not replacing them, but putting them back in. And then we're going to run the antifreeze through the bilge, go fill her up, put some fuel stabilizer in there, and that should be a wrap. Make sure you drop a follow if you want more content.